या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः. Goddess Durga signifies power and Shakti. In Sanskrit, the word means the one who eliminates sufferings, represents intelligence, peace, and prosperity. Today, the theme of the annual day is a great example of the young women of the country to become determined in their actions and win.
यत्र नार्यस्तु पूज्यन्ते रमन्ते तत्र देवताः. Navdurga represents the 9 divine forms of Goddess Durga, each embodying a unique aspect of supreme feminine energy, Shakti. Today, we will be introducing 9 powerful women of our country. Each of these women mirrors a goddess, reminding us that every woman is a form of Durga. Without further ado, let us delve into the sacred narratives of Navdurga. Shailputri, the goddess of steadfastness and strength, embodies resilience. Sudhamurti, with her unwavering humility and philanthropy, mirrors Shailputri's enduring spirit, nurturing society with wisdom and compassion.
लंबी डगर है पर हिम्मत है संग, पाँव पे छाले हैं सांसें बुलंद, लड़ने चली हूँ आजादी की जंग. बेखौफ आजाद है जीना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है जीना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे. रीति की जंजीरें खा गई जंग, न्याय के मंदिर भी हो गए भंग, जमाना चले ना चले मेरे संग, बोलूंगी हल्ला आवाज दबंग. बेखौफ आजाद है कहना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है कहना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे.
मकसद में सच्चाई है तो सीना ठोक के यही कहो, झुकना होगा दुनिया तुमको, विश्वास पे अपने खड़े रहो, अड़े रहो.
There is a need for an engineer here who has knowledge of automobiles. Women need not apply. What is this? Why can't women apply? I will apply and I definitely will. Good morning everyone.
Good morning. What's your name?
Sir, my name is Sudhamurti.
I am sorry, but I think there's been a mistake. We clearly mentioned in the advertisement that this position is not for women. You must have overlooked that.
No sir, I didn't overlook anything. That's exactly why I am here.
Oh, and what makes you so confident? You do realize this is a job in automobile industry, right? It's tough, hands-on work. Man handle it because it requires, well, just say a particular kind of strength and capability.
Sir, strength and capabilities are not limited by gender. What makes you think that a woman can't handle the same work? I studied engineering just like any man would.
Studying and actually working on automobiles are two different things. You might have gotten through textbooks, but when it comes to real life machine, it's a different ball game. This field is tough. You might even hurt yourself or not be able to keep up.
With all due respect, sir, if that were true, why wasn't I told to leave the room when the practical sessions were going on? Why wasn't I told to sit separately when I was studying engineering? The challenges were the same, but I didn't just keep up, I excelled.
Listen, young lady, we appreciate your passion, but this industry is not a place for trial and error. It required focus and discipline. The physical demands alone are enough to turn the most women away.
So what exactly are you trying to prove here, Sudha?
Ma'am, I'm not here to prove anything except opportunity should be equal. When a woman like you can sit on this panel making decisions about who get higher, why can't a woman be on the other side doing the work?
But what if you can't handle the pressure? This is a male-dominated space and it can get even difficult. You're walking into a world where you will be tested at every step and not just by the work.
I am prepared for it, sir. If I let fear of difficulty stop me, I wouldn't be standing here today. The world need to see that a woman can handle this, that they have every right to be here just like a man. And I won't be the last.
You're quite persistent. I'll give you that. But persistence doesn't always give equal success in this field.
Perhaps not, but it's a start. And every success story begins with persistence, doesn't it?
Congratulations! You will be the first woman engineer to work in the automobile industry here.
Thank you so much, sir. And I promise I won't be the last.
मुसाफिर था जाने दे धूप आंगन में आने दे जीते चल जीते चल जीते चल तलवों के नीचे है ठंडी सी एक धरती कहती है आजा दौड़ेंगे यादों के बक्सों में जिंदा सी खुशबू है कहती है सब पीछे छोड़ेंगे कहता ये पल खुद से निकल जीते हैं चल जीते हैं चल जीते हैं चल जीते हैं चल
Sudha Murthy has built 2,300 houses in flood-affected areas through Infosys Foundation.
To ensure that every child in India can study peacefully, she opened over 7,000 libraries.
In our village and surrounding villages, she constructed over 16,000 toilets.
If every woman in India becomes as empowered, the true essence of womanhood will be seen as strength in India.
It's not about what I have done, but what we can do together. If each of us lends a hand, society will rise like never before. The real impact comes when kindness and action goes hand in hand.
Hello, Sudha Murthy.
Namaste, sir.
You are doing such a wonderful work. The way you work shows how strong and capable the women of India are. As the president of a democratic country and a citizen of free India, I would like to honor you with the R.K. Narayan Award. I hope that every step you take will inspire women across India.
Thank you so much, sir.